So this week uh, I have successfully implemented a method by which the blocks that are connected to each other can be read, in essence. Uh, so first and foremost here, you can see that I have successfully fixed the bug that I had with the blocks not correctly coloring. And as you can see, all the blocks are black as they should be. So here I'm just connecting a chain of block to show you how my implementation of reading a chain of blocks will work. So here is the money block, or whatever. What it does is when it's attached to the beginning of a chain of blocks, it will go through all the blocks in the chain. So I have added a thing now where each block keeps track of which blocks it's attached to. So when the the sphere block here is attached to the end of a blockchain, it will know which block to go to next because each block knows the block that is in front of it. And then, so basically the sphere block, it goes to a block, then it's like, alright, give me your logic and give me which block is in front of you. Alright, so then what I'm planning on doing is it will take the logic and apply it, whatever it is, and then it will move on to the next block. And then it'll just keep on doing that really quickly until it reaches the end of the chain. So here it is in action. Upon attaching it to the end of the block, it goes, completes the chain, and ends up at the very end. So as you can see, it's kind of really fast, so you don't really see it going. But that's the point, I guess. So I'm going to try now to have all the blocks have their own unique logic, and then the sphere block would be able to accumulate that logic and then apply it to create like an actual function or whatever. One thing I do have to fix though is that with my implementation of the sphere block now, the detaching blocks feature now doesn't really work properly, because now I haven't implemented a feature where the blocks reattach to each other after being detached, because now what the block thinks it would be the next block would be wrong. So I'm going to try to fix that too, in addition to allowing the blocks to convey logic to create a final function.